I'm Josh Smith and I'm with the Withernsea Grinders.
My name's Jamie Sandell and I'm with the Withernsea Grinders. Yeah, Luke Newton set up the Withernsea Grinders with Linda Miles. I'm not sure when, but it was roughly about a year ago.
I'm Luke, and I started all of this. Yes, he did.
It's a campaign for a skate park in Withernsea.
It's formed of two groups, Withernsea Play Action, which is a group of about 5 lads, which is what I was originally with, and the Withernsea Grinders, and we both formed together to form the Withernsea Grinders. About 30.
Yeah, probably about 30.
All on the campaign to get a skate park.
Ranging from about
13 to 15,
yeah,
16.
about 13 to 15, 16. Yeah, keeps us off the streets. Stops people moaning at us if we get in the way of them by accident.
Gives us the freedom to skate, basically. Safe equipment and cabs that are all chipped away and stuff.
Yeah,
So
and everything's made for skateboarding. I think it's important to wear protection to show the younger kids, because if you're riding around without a helmet or knee pads on, then they think, I want to be like them. So I think that's a bad idea, because they could get hurt more easily because they're not as skilled, basically.
I've been skating for about 7.5 to 8 months. Whenever it's dry, after school, on a weekend, as long as it's dry.
We're off to Grants to get the ramp.
No, come on, you can be more like... You know what I mean?
We're off to my Grants to get the ramp!
This is the ramp. The highway to hell.
Gaz, what is it?
It's the ramp. On the highway to hell!
Yeah, materials are very important to skateboarding, because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity and you've got to get it right first off. Yesterday we went on a road trip travelling around to different skate parks with different materials. We tried one in Goal, which was fiberglass, but well, I'm glad it was raining actually, because it gives us a chance to see what it'd be like, because it rains a lot in Withernsea, and that was just totally rubbish. Yeah, concrete is definitely the material to go with for a skate park. It's expensive though, but it's the best one.
If we had our skate park built like a Burl, like at Sheffield, it won't be no good to Withernsea, basically, because you're going to have people stood in the middle of the Burl trying to do tricks, and you need to be coming from all sides, and too many people stood. Basically, you don't need anyone in the ramp inside the actual park. Otherwise, you've got people in the way, unless it's skating. Huddersfield's was good, because it had like a flat piece of land where people could stand and do tricks without having to stand in the way, like in front of a fun box or quarter pipe or whatever, which was a good idea.
Could not proceed with the skate park until we had a group of adults who were prepared to work with young people, firstly to get the skate park, and secondly to maintain it and ensure it once it has been built.
Mrs. Phyllis Callis, and I'm Joshua Callis Smith's grandma, and is that right? I think we're going to need about 80,000, maybe more. Insurance is going to be the problem, because, you know, they say it's a dangerous sport, but as I said, everything's dangerous.
Obstacles. Funding is always an obstacle. Timing is another obstacle. We have a grant of £23,000 from the Regeneration Partnership, but as with all this funding, that money has to be spent by the 31st of March. Otherwise, a bit like Cinderella's coach, it all disappears at midnight on the 31st of March. We don't want to give anybody a skate park, because we, you know, from yesterday, they like this and they don't like that. The idea is that they develop it and we will then do it.
Oh yes, it'll certainly get the skateboarders off the street, and the skaters, and the people on bikes, if we do a bike track as well. Well, the thing was, I used to see the children on the car park down there, And I thought it was quite dangerous because I used to work on a children's ward, so I knew what they were doing was dangerous because there was motor cars and, you know, things. So I said, let's go to the council and see if we can get a petition, see if we can have a car park. So we went round, we thought we'd go around and see if we can get a petition. Everybody signed. Everybody signed that it was all quite clean, all the adults. Oh yes, we need a car park because we need them off the streets because they're dangerous. There was not only danger to themselves, there was danger to other people as well, so that's why we did it. I said if I wasn't 70, I'd have a go. No, but the thing is, lots of things are dangerous. I mean, crossing the road's dangerous. I mean, you know, they've got to have something to do, haven't they? And they always say that kids are vandals and things like that. If there's something for them to do, then there won't be vandals, will they?
Come on. Go stand near the ramp and you walk.
No, wait a minute.
Don't